सच्चिदानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects on this auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi. If you are here physically or through two-way video conferencing, you have done the best thing for your life, because today Mahasadashiva is going to introduce important contribution for this Mahasadashivoham, what he is opening up. Giving you the experience, taking you to the different dimensions of the cosmos. Not suspense, not trailer, neither trailer nor suspense, or storytelling, or marketing, or inspiring, nothing. Straight fact, you are going to see the Ganesha exactly how he is sitting now in Kailasa. Let's first offer our humble respects to him and then get ready to have darshan of Ganapati as he is now in Kailasa while we are breathing now.
Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakrtundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayate. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakrtundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayate. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakrtundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayate. Karpura Gauram Arunavadaram Samsaradharam Bhujagetraharam Sada Vasattam Hridayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Naitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Naitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Naitam Namami.
Listen carefully. When I was introducing Mahasadashivoham, I uttered few words. Introducing different states of consciousness and giving access to you so that you can have the best things of different states of consciousness and use it in your waking state. It's like collecting the best things from different country and using it in the country where you are living. Getting the elephants and diamonds from Africa, food from Italy, and pure water from Gomukh Tapovan, idli from Madurai, flowers from Tovalai, getting all the best things and living in your country. That's the first. Second, awakening the different aspects of Sadashiva. Srishti, Sthiti, Vinasa, Trobhava, Samhara. Third, important thing, giving access, exposing you to different dimensions of the universe. It is a science. Let me be very clear. It is a science. Of course, I need to take the permission of those deities, gods, fortunately, which is already granted. By Sadashiva himself. Listen. My breathing goes in up to Kailasa and takes a turn in Kailasa and comes out. Listen carefully. I don't have time to tell stories and I don't need to. Let me tell you very clearly, precisely. I do not use this same body in Kailasa. I do not use this same mind in Kailasa. But my breathing is same here and Kailasa. If I can tie all your breathing to my breathing, I can airlift all of you to Kailasa. Understand? Understand? Today, Sadashiva is opening up and offering this, whatever name you want to use, experience or exposure or journey or whatever you want to call it. Because auspicious day, Ganapati was really very happy. The moment I gave the proposal, maybe 6 days before I gave the proposal, because 6 days before, the air I inhaled comes back today morning as exhaling. Let it be on record, maybe later on, some astrological calculation or references we will find from Upanishads, how our 1 year is 1 day for Devatas. Like that, our one breathing and one breathing time taken in Kailasa, if we proportionate it, you will be able to match with what I am saying. 6 days before the air I inhaled, with that I sent the application. And today morning I got not only the confirmation, Ganesha is very happy to give darshan to all. He is just excited. He is just excited. I don't want to describe how he is, because if I describe, you guys will start imagining. No. Whether you are really seeing him now or not, how it will be scaled, when you close your eyes, you will see. When you open your eyes, the same scene will be seen. This scene will not appear. Understand? That's a scale. If you close your eyes, how clearly you will see the whole Kailasa and Ganesha. When you open your eyes, you will see the exactly without color change or dulling. No dullness, no color change, no scene change, nothing. It will be exactly, precisely same. Then you know you experienced Kailasa. Come on, let's start the journey. Unloaded breathing can easily be tied to me because my breathing has no load of thought currents. Understand, if you have too much luggage, you can go only in the goods train. If your luggage is less, you can go in luxury bus. Only if you have just a hand carry, you can fly. And if it has to be jet, not even hand carry. And for Kailasa, no luggage. Your thought current cannot be the luggage on your breathing. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam. Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.